Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Janae Reyes, and on this channel it's all about beauty, lifestyle, DIYs and business related videos. So if you are interested in those type of videos, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. You can be the first to like the video, the first to comment. So let's get started with this video. So as you seen in the title, today we are DIYing this Ikea dresser. So when I bought the dresser, I already knew exactly what I wanted to do with it because I watched this guy here on YouTube called Lone Fox. If you like DIYs, then you know who he is because his DIYs are so amazing. They're so like cute. He does a lot of like Ikea flips, a lot of like thrift store flips, and a lot of like home decor DIYs, which I love watching all his videos. So he bought this exact same dresser, and I'm gonna link his video down below because he did his exactly the same that we're gonna do today, but he painted it different and put different doorknobs. So if you want to go watch his video, then go watch it because still you get motivation. Maybe you might like the way he painted his, or maybe you want to paint the whole drawer. As for us, we didn't paint the drawer, we just added pretty wallpaper to it. So it's basically kind of the same thing as his, but a little different. So if you want to watch his video as well, definitely go check it out because I got my inspiration from his video, and I have to give credit where credit is due. So definitely go check out his channel, and let's get started with this DIY because it is so simple, so easy, and it looks like such a cute fancy dresser to make. So let's get started. Right, so here is the Ikea dresser that we are going to DIY. The plan is to leave this woody part alone and just put some wallpaper on these that are going to be white, and it's going to look really nice. So I can't wait to show you guys how we did it. And also too, if you're wondering, like, this drawer is not glossed or anything, it's just already sand for you, so you can still feel it. Like, you can add stain on it or anything without even having to sand it twice. It's already sand for you, it's already perfectly fine, and you don't have to worry about removing anything off of it. So it's already good to start DIYing. That's why we wanted it to get it in the first place. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using to transform that drawer, and this is a beautiful wallpaper that I purchased from Amazon. I will have the link for it down below on the description box if you're interested in this type of wallpaper. And the little knobs that we're going to be using instead of the ones that came with, let me show you the ones that came with. So it came with these in here. They're just like wooden ones, which are not even cute at all. So we're just gonna skip these, and I ended up getting these at Lowe's. They were like $1.58 per piece, so they were not even expensive at all. And it's kind of like a copper brown, like a very like rust brown. I really love it. It's gonna look really pretty like that, as you can tell from the knobs. It's gonna look really good with the white. Love that. And then we bought some glue because I was reading the reviews and it recommended that I guess this is like a sticker paper as well for the wallpaper, that it wasn't enough to hold. That's what a lot of people on the review said on Amazon, so they ended up using glue. So my husband says this glue is really good, so this is the one we're going to be using. I got two just in case we didn't have enough with one. I didn't want to like go back to the store, but you can find it anywhere too. You can find it at Home Depot. I got it at Lowe's. I'm sure you can find it at any hardware store. Alright, so right now what he's doing is just putting the wallpaper on top of a drawer, the first top drawer that's going to go on the beginning, just to kind of see where we want to start off. So like, for example, he wants to have like the whole circle on this first drawer, and then from there we're going to just keep going with the design, so that way it can all blend in and not look like shoppy. Alright, so now I'm going in and cutting off that excess he ended up measuring for the first drawer. That way it would not bother us when we're trying to glue it, and we know exactly where to put the first drawer at. And he ended up putting the next drawer right underneath the first drawer. That way the pattern could keep going with it. And he ended up taking it apart up for me because we needed to glue the doors. So this is me gluing the doors and putting it right where he already measured it for me. And I did the same thing with the next door. And we put a lot of heavy stuff to help the wallpaper stick really good. Now he's cutting off the excess underneath the second drawer. That way he's going to use that paper to know where to line up the next third drawer. And he ended up cutting it off already, the whole wallpaper, to the measurement of the third drawer. That way it can be easier for me to glue it. And we just continued with the fourth and fifth drawer, doing the same thing we did in the beginning. Alright, so now that it looks like this and it's already glued on there, you guys see that the edges are rough, and plus the edges have like a little angle right here. So all he's gonna do is just sand the edges down, and you have excess paper like this, you can just cut it down with the blade to match up the wood and then just sand it. And if you have a little extra like that, just make sure you cut it down so it can be easier to sand. Alright, so this sander block, we ended up finding it at the Dollar Tree, and one side it's a really rough sander, and then on the other side is more of a fine sander, so it's more to buff, and this one's more like rougher. And we're gonna use the rougher side to sand it first, and then we'll go back and buff it out. And this is how it ended up looking now that we sanded. As you can tell, it looks more of a smoother look, and it looks like it's going with the drawer. Alright, so as you guys can tell, here we put the doorknobs and they look so freaking cute. Okay, now he's gonna tell you how he did it. Since they already come pre-holed already, all he did is put a toothpick inside of the hole that's already drilled and stuck it all the way out, and that's it. And then you just put your screw on there. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was such an easy DIY, like I told you guys. Like, so as you can see, the dresser looks so beautiful. I just love the touch that the wallpaper gives it. It gives it such an elegant look to it, and the doorknobs just go so pretty with it. And the reason I made this dresser is because I am pregnant, and this is going to be my baby boy's little dresser full of his clothes inside, and I still wanted to keep it very elegant and very cute, and at the same time very boyish, so it can go in his room. And I kept it looking with the natural wood. I didn't want to paint that because his crib is a wood, and I wanted it to match his crib, and it still gives it such a cute boyish look to it without the wallpaper making it too girly. And the doorknobs, the color is just like a boyish color, very pretty, very rustic. I love the way it looks. So yeah guys, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this DIY. Make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed it and you're gonna try something similar to it. Let us know in the comments down below. And also, if you like to see more DIYs and more like family vlogs, we have a family vlog that we would love for you guys to come and join us and watch us do DIYs on our vlogs as well, because me and my husband are always doing something and are always like DIYing stuff all around the house. So definitely go check out our vlog and subscribe to our vlog channel, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.